Hello everyone, I am Victor, and welcome back to the Oracle FLEXCUBE CASA training series. In today's session, we'll explore customer tax allowance maintenance, stamp duty taxation, passbook management, and checkbook management in Oracle FLEXCUBE. By the end of this video, you'll understand how Oracle FLEXCUBE manages customer tax allowances, stamp duty collection, passbook processing, checkbook issuance, and a complete check life cycle. So let's get started. Our first topic is customer tax allowance maintenance. The screen code is CALMT. This screen allows users to define tax allowance limits for individual customers. The information maintained includes the tax category, customer number, customer name, validity period, allowance amount, currency, and remarks. These allowance limits are later used during interest processing to determine taxable interest. Important tax allowance rules. Oracle FLEXCUBE enforces several business rules while maintaining tax allowances. The end date must always be greater than or equal to the start date. If the allowance has no expiry date, the end date can be left blank. Whenever customer interest exceeds the defined allowance amount, the excess becomes eligible for tax deduction. The system continuously tracks allowance utilization. It also validates that the combined allowance assigned to customer accounts never exceeds the customer's overall tax allowance limit. Customer account tax allowance. Next, let's look at customer account tax allowance maintenance. The screen code is STDACTXM. This screen allows banks to allocate tax allowance to a specific customer account or contract. Users maintain details such as branch, account or contract number, tax category, customer number, allowance amount, currency, validity dates, and remarks. This enables account-level tax management while remaining within the customer's overall allowance. Customer Account Tax Association. Each customer account tax allowance record is assigned a unique sequence number automatically by Oracle FLEXCUBE. This sequence number cannot be modified. The allowance amount defines the tax exemption available for that specific account. The currency is automatically inherited from the customer tax allowance maintenance screen and cannot be changed. This ensures consistency between customer-level and account-level tax configurations. Stamp duty taxation. Now let's understand stamp duty taxation. Oracle FLEXCUBE can automatically collect stamp duty on eligible current accounts, generally at the end of every quarter or when a closing debit balance exists. To enable this functionality, certain configurations are required. The transaction code must have the available balance check option disabled. The pricing setup uses the system data element current_BL together with the user data element stamp_duty. Finally, the pricing formula is linked to customer accounts for automatic stamp duty calculation. Passbook compressed transactions. Now let's move to passbook management. The screen code is ACDCMPTR. Passbook compression combines multiple transactions into summarized entries to make passbooks easier to read. This inquiry screen allows users to search compressed transactions using the account number, account description, compression reference number, branch, and currency. It provides quick access to consolidated transaction information. Compression details. For every compression reference, Oracle FLEXCUBE displays both summary and detailed transaction information. The summary includes the total number of credit transactions, debit transactions, user ID, total deposits, total withdrawals, and the compression date. Users can also view detailed transaction records including transaction date, reference number, transaction code, and description. This provides complete traceability of compressed passbook transactions. Passbook reports. The screen code is CARPASBK. This screen is used to generate customer passbook reports. Users specify the branch, account, report format, output type, printer, and printer location. Once the required parameters are selected, Oracle FLEXCUBE generates a printable passbook report. Checkbook maintenance. Let's now begin checkbook management. The screen code is CADCHBOO. This screen is used to issue and maintain checkbooks for customer accounts. The information maintained includes customer account, number of leaves, first check number, check type, order date, issue date, and delivery details. These details help banks efficiently manage checkbook issuance and tracking. Checkbook configuration. Oracle FLEXCUBE supports multiple checkbook configurations. Checkbooks can be categorized into different types such as Euro and commercial, depending on business requirements. Each request progresses through different statuses including requested, generated, delivered, and destroyed. Delivery can be performed through the branch or by courier. This configuration provides flexibility throughout the checkbook lifecycle. User-defined fields. Oracle FLEXCUBE also supports user-defined fields, or UDFs, for checkbook classification. Different codes represent different checkbook formats. Code J represents a 20-page personal checkbook. Codes K and P represent 40-page business checkbooks. Code L represents a 40-page two-part checkbook. Code R represents an 80-page business checkbook. These classifications help banks support different customer requirements. Check status monitoring. Every check leaf issued by the bank maintains its own lifecycle status. Oracle FLEXCUBE tracks these using predefined status codes. N represents not used. U represents used. R represents rejected. S represents stopped. C represents canceled. Maintaining these statuses enables complete operational tracking, auditability, and fraud prevention. Charges and events. Oracle FLEXCUBE records all financial charges associated with checkbook processing. Charge information includes the charge component, amount, currency, and waiver indicator. The system also maintains event history, including event number, event date, event code, and the accounting entries generated for each event. Together, these records provide complete financial transparency and operational traceability. Accounting entries. Users can review the accounting impact generated during checkbook processing. The accounting screen displays the branch, account, debit or credit indicator, amount, currency, foreign amount, local amount, transaction date, and value date. These accounting entries provide a complete audit trail for every financial transaction processed by the system. Check details maintenance. The screen code is CADCHBOO. This screen maintains detailed information for every check issued under a checkbook. Information maintained includes the check number, account number, beneficiary, amount, presented date, check date, and current status. This enables accurate check tracking throughout its lifecycle. Status modification rules. Oracle FLEXCUBE enforces strict business rules while updating check statuses. Used checks cannot be modified. Canceled checks also cannot be modified. Rejected checks can be updated to used whenever appropriate. Partially used checks can only be changed to canceled or rejected. Additionally, partial check payment is supported through the ParchPay feature when enabled. Checkbook archive. The screen code is CADCHARQ. Completed checkbooks can be archived for long-term storage. Both used and canceled checks are eligible for archival. Users can archive records based on branch, account, issued before date, presented before date, and check number range. The workflow moves from issued to completed, then to archive, where historical records remain available for future reference and audit purposes. Archived check inquiry. Archived check records remain fully searchable within Oracle FLEXCUBE. The CASCHARC screen displays the archived checkbook summary. The CADCHARQ screen displays detailed archived check information. Users can retrieve details such as archive reference, branch, account number, checkbook number, archive quantity, status, and amount. This ensures historical check records remain easily accessible whenever required. Summary. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We explored customer tax allowance maintenance and customer account tax allowance. We understood how stamp duty taxation is configured and processed. We learned about Passbook compression and Passbook report generation. We also covered checkbook maintenance, check status monitoring, charges and events, accounting entries, and checkbook archiving. Together, these features help Oracle FLEXCUBE efficiently manage day-to-day CASA operations while ensuring accuracy, compliance, and operational control. Thank you for watching this Oracle FLEXCUBE CASA training session. I'm Victor, and I hope